Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. As usual, my name is Coach Uganda, and let me hope guys you are doing great. But in today's video we are going to look at one of the best recipes in the world, and trust me, this home remedy which you are going to learn right now in this video, it's 200% powerful. But before I proceed, I'm sorry for the sound, for the noise you are hearing in the background, because my neighbor is constructing, so it's making sound for us, okay? But I'm sorry for that. So today, this home recipe which you are going to learn is one of the best in the world, as I told you, and trust me, you like it. So if you need to improve your performance, you need something which you'll be taking every day to bring back your good performance. And of course, if you have ever used masturbation, by the way, this is the best remedy for you to bring it back. Remember, I told you masturbation or masturbating is not good for you as a man. So in this video, you learn what you can be taking every day, and at what time you're supposed to take it, and for how long are you supposed to take it. So you have to watch the video from the beginning up the end. And I always tell you, for such amazing videos, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. And of course, don't be so selfish. Share the video to your friends and invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. Remember, this channel is for men only, so invite only men to this YouTube channel. Operation is to improve on our bed performance, is to bring back our stamina which we lost long time back. So subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. And by the way, without wasting a lot of time, let us go to our preparation. I'll come back and I tell you more about this home recipe, when to use it, for how long, and many things it does. We have started our preparation, and I want you to get for me uncooked egg, okay? Just get yourself uncooked egg so that we proceed with our preparation. Just one egg is enough for this home recipe to take place. But I request you watch the entire video from the beginning up the end, and of course you can leave a comment in the comment section if this video is educative towards your side. We need only egg yolk, so make sure that you get egg yolk for this home recipe to take place. As I told you, only egg yolk. This is amazing recipe which will bring back your good performance, which will bring back your stamina, which will increase on your endurance in the bedroom. So if you need such amazing home remedies, amazing videos for men, please, you are welcomed to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256 by Coach Uganda, your #1 presenter in the world, okay? So from that, you will thank me later. Now here is egg yolk, and I told you we need egg yolk for this home recipe to take place. So this is egg yolk. Now next we need Nescafe, okay? I recommend you to use Nescafe because there is many types of coffee powder, but Nescafe is the best. So I recommend you to get yourself Nescafe for this home recipe to take place. But before I proceed, my dear, I remind you, if you have not yet subscribed, please, you'll miss a lot. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and by the way, you can go to settings and turn on subtitles for your language. If you come from Spain, Britain, Kenya, Guinea, South Africa, go to settings and turn on subtitles, okay? Because it will be easier for you to understand the language. So I request you go to settings and turn on subtitles. From here we need only 1 spoon, also 1 spoon for this coffee powder. Only 1 spoon, guys, is enough. Bring it here, okay? This is amazing home recipe which will bring back your good performance, your endurance to increase, and if you have ever used masturbation, this is the best recipe for you ever, okay? To cleanse your body, to bring back your good performance, and masturbation will be solved. But please stop masturbating if you masturbate. You mix very well our home recipe, guys, okay? Mix very well. As usual, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. What about you? Please, you can leave the name of your country in the comment section. It will be easier for me to know where you come from. Me, I come from Uganda. Yes, what about you? If you come from Uganda, Kenya, South Africa, USA, Britain, Guinea, Somalia, Sudan, whatever country you're coming from, leave the name of your country in the comment section to make me happy to know where you come from, okay? So guys, from here, then get for me lemon. It has to be yellow in color, okay? Just lemon. It means we need lemon juice for this home recipe to take place. So get for me lemon. Make sure that you squeeze it so that you get enough juice for this home remedy to take place. Remember, this is a powerful remedy which you need ever, which is 200 powerful for your performance in the bedroom to become better. So don't hesitate to take such amazing home remedy at home, okay? At home. We need only 1 piece, so it means you get a half of your lemon. Squeeze it and get its juice, as you see what I'm doing right now in this video, okay? This one we don't need it, we need only 1 piece. Let me say a half. Then bring here your juice, which we need only, okay, as you see. Yes, mix again very well. Trust me, if you have a problem with manpower in bed with your partner and you go less than 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, seconds, please, you need to try out this home recipe. Trust me, your performance will be back forever if you follow the instructions which I will tell you at the end of this video, okay? Because some people, you don't finish the video, so make sure that you watch the entire video from the beginning up the end. We need garlic, okay? We need just 1 piece of garlic, as you see. Only this one is enough, okay? 1 piece of garlic. So get on 1 piece. Yes, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section telling us where you come from, telling us the name of your country, and of course share the video to your friends in your WhatsApp groups, on your WhatsApp statuses, so that other men, they have a chance to know how to carry out this home recipe at home, which will change their lives forever. Concerning manpower, you need this YouTube channel, is a tips 256, okay? But before I start grating this garlic. You have to first clean it, as you see. Remove the outer part of your garlic. And I told you you need only one piece, guys. Don't exceed one piece because it's very strong. Okay, so follow my instructions. Do what I do. Don't do other stuff. So when I say 1 spoon, add 1 spoon. If I say 1 piece of garlic, add 1 piece. So for this, we need just 1 piece of garlic. So make sure that you grate your garlic very well. Just grating it first. Okay, no heat. Operation is to bring back good performance, to boost our performance during bedtime. Guys, if I talk about during bedtime, it means during performance, okay? Because some people are confused. So when I tell you take it 30 minutes before bedtime, it means take it before having competition with your partner. So don't get confused, guys, okay? From here, do the same. Bring it here. Next step, you need hot water, hot boiled water. Make sure that your water is totally hot, okay? Well boiled and it's hot. So you need just 1 glass, as you see. Add it here. This is enough. And again, mix very well. Okay? And mix very well. Trust me, if you guys don't know, if you buy Viagra from the pharmacy, I don't recommend you to use Viagra from the pharmacy. I don't recommend you to use any supplement for manpower. But what I upload here, these things are natural. They have no side effects. So when you use Viagra from the pharmacy, and trust me, if you have bad competition with your partner and that day you don't take Viagra, you won't function. You will be disappointed. So I request you, starting from today, if you've been using Viagra from the pharmacy, please, it's not good. Okay? So I recommend you to start following my instructions, my home remedies. These remedies which I upload here on my YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, are better than Viagra from the pharmacy because they don't have side effects and they work. If you follow my instructions, if you follow what I tell you guys, trust me, you'll be shocked with amazing results. So stop taking Viagra from the pharmacy, guys. As you see, our home remedy changed its color. Very colorful, very interesting, and trust me, it's 100% to 200% powerful and working. Lastly, we need natural honey. I told you, if you don't have natural honey, please buy natural honey, put it in your house, but don't forget to buy natural honey, which doesn't contain any added chemical. So buy 100% natural honey. So we are going to add only 1 spoon to our home remedy. Okay, 1 spoon to our home remedy. Just 1 spoon is enough, guys. So it's enough. And again, mix very well. Trust me, if you have a problem with manpower, your performance is always weak, you don't last long in bed, if you follow my videos, my home remedies, you will remain the same. This works permanently. This will bring back your life to be happy, to be proud of your presence during bedtime. This is the way it looks like after the preparation, guys. Now, if you follow my instructions, if you follow my videos, if you follow what I tell you to do, trust me, good performance will be back. But just because sometimes you people, you don't follow my words and you don't follow my instructions. But trust me, this home remedy or this home recipe doesn't have side effects and it doesn't have overdose. So it means for you to be a good performer during bedtime, to perform well during bedtime, to bring back your endurance during bedtime, to make it stiff and strong during bedtime, my dear, this is the best recipe for you, which you need to try out at home, okay? But before I tell you when to take this home recipe, for how long you're supposed to take this home recipe, my dear, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. Invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. And of course, at the end of this video, please share the video to your friends, telling them what I upload on this YouTube channel, so that other men can get a chance to improve on their bed performance, to improve on their stamina. Remember, men will have problems with bed. So sharing is very important. Remember, my name is Coach Uganda. What about you? I requested you to leave the name of your country in the comment section so that I get to know where you come from, okay? So this is my home remedy which I have made right now, which you have seen. So let me take it, then I tell you when and for how long you're supposed to use it at home. Very nice remedy and doesn't have side effects, no overdose, and it's natural. And by the way, guys, I told you, if you use Viagra from the farmers, please stop it. For my videos, for my instructions, your performance will be back. Being consistent, trusting yourself, trust me, you won't fail to bring back your good performance. But because some people are not patient, they rush, they need something to work for them in one day. If I tell you that the recipe works after some time, please be consistent for my words. So from that, I want you to take this home recipe every day on your empty stomach before eating anything. Trust me, take it at least less than 4 weeks to start seeing good results in 3 weeks. But start taking it right now on your empty stomach less than 4 weeks. If I tell you less than 4 weeks, it means you can take more than 4 weeks, 10, 12, but less than 4 weeks. Trust me, you won't remain the same. This is amazing home remedy which will bring back your performance forever, to increase on your stamina, and to increase on your endurance. Remember, some men, you go for 2 minutes in bed. So I don't recommend you to go for 2 minutes in bed as a man. A real man goes for more than 5 minutes in the first round. So if you are less than 5 minutes, please take this home recipe every day, less than 4 weeks. My dear, you are doing the same. Remember, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. What about you? If you come from Guinea, South Africa, Indonesia, USA, Nigeria, whatever country you come from, please leave the name of your country in the comment section.